Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Grandpa KC. Today we're going to continue our series on the Nearstream streaming camera. As this is part 3, and we're going to be talking about the app and all the functions that this particular app has. You know, a camera, the Nearstream camera is great, and just a quick review, we talked about that it has the microphone array on the top, and then the plugs in the back for an external microphone. It has a 20 optical zoom, a lot of great functions. But what makes these cameras unique and great is the productivity that you can get from using the app, which you can load onto the iOS on Apple. You can load it onto an Android phone or tablet, or again the same thing, an Apple tablet. So let's look at some of the functions that are in there that make their software unique in the market. Now this is a picture of the app, and as you can see, when you have it running, you can have up to 3 cameras running at the same time, and you can be viewing each one of those cameras and switch as you're recording from one to the other. Now, but let's look at the app itself, because it's full of features, and those features make this one of the best cameras out there. Now, each one of the ones that are out there, each one has its own function, and as we all know, each one of these companies, their software is getting better and better. But recently, Nearstream, at the time of this production, had upgraded their software to add certain functions, and let's go over them right now. Now, once you've loaded up and connected your phone or tablet or whatever you're using to the Nearstream, you have a sub-menu there that has all the different functions that you can use on this particular camera. And as you can see, camera function, graphics. Now the first one is graphics, and what that allows you to do is to add graphics to your particular broadcast, which is great if you want to put a message in there. You're watching a game. You can put all kinds of different messages in there, and that makes this a one-man production video studio right in one hand. That is a great function. Now, recently on one of their latest software updates, they have been promising picture-in-a-picture, and it's out now. So now you can be watching one video and have another view of another camera that you've set up at the same time, so the audience can see a different angle or whatever it is that you want to show them. So again, it's a one-step content creator, movie production, video setup, all in one setup. This eliminates a lot of equipment and great. By the way, if you haven't heard it, it's here in Florida. It's around 3 o'clock, and we get our afternoon thunderstorms. So that's another great function that this has, and it's on the app. You just click on it and follow the setup to get it going. How many of you, as content creators, want to add music and you can't find music that's not copy protected for your function? Now, I had to blur the screen on this a little bit because I'm concerned about getting a copyright protection by using this particular screen, so I blurred it slightly so you can get it. Now, after you click the audio track, you can go in there, and they have, if I counted correctly, about 90 different tracks of music. Everything from instrumental to, melody to all of that, and you can add them to your track. And let's listen to what that sounds like right now. I did a recording in my garage when I was doing a video, and I just want to give you an idea of, number one, what it sounds like just using the microphones, and number two, what it uses an external microphone, and number three, I want you to listen to when I added soundtracks. Now, as I'm going to show you in a few minutes, there is a built-in playlist that you can use. By the way, this microphone is so good, I think you probably can hear the thunder and lightning that's going on outside. So right now I've selected up music from the playlist, and you can hear my voice. I'm going to increase the music level.
This has built-in playlists. So let me lower the music down a little bit. Okay, and you can hear that. It's now playing in the background. Output, let me increase the output a little bit of the microphone. You can hear that. You can hear the difference. Again, I'm going to be reviewing this microphone here, and I think it's one of the easiest microphones to use, but we'll talk about that in a second.
Hey, welcome back to Grandpa Casey. I am going to be talking to you about, most importantly, hey, how many of you are deciding you're going to be doing, maybe adding insulation to a garage door? And that's a quick sample of the audio. In one case, I was using a wireless microphone, which you can check out the review on that one. And the other one is, of course, I just used a microphone built into the camera without turning on any filters. You know, that's the beauty of this app also, is you're doing adjusting your audio. You can adjust the intensity, you can adjust, put filters in, you can create individual playlists, so you can adjust what music is playing in the background, which is wonderful, you know, whatever type of recording you're doing. Let's look at the next feature now. Again, and like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, the multi-view option obviously allows you to be able to look at several different cameras at the same time. With the Nearstream software, you can connect up to 3 different cameras at the same time. So you can have multi-view looking at a different, and there's your selection right here on the app where you could find it. Now, of course, we talked about that this is a streaming camera, and of course, what can a streaming camera do? It can connect to various platforms or multiple platforms all at once, including, you know, Facebook Live, YouTube, you know, all Zoom, all of them, and you can use RTMP. The other thing is you can be recording these individually on each camera, what it's seeing. So later on, if you want to go into post-production and take the individual SD cards that are in the camera or on your phone, you can take those recordings and use them. Like I said, it's 3 o'clock in Florida. So coming to an end and looking at this camera, you can see that the software has come a long way, and it is fantastic. And I'm looking for the next upgrade on the software to see what else they're going to add to this particular function. By the way, if I haven't asked you already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to bring you another video on the Nearstream V33 on how to connect it to your computer, how to use NDMI, how to connect it to OBS, and all of that. Anyway, like I said, this is part 3 of the Nearstream VM33 review and test. I hope this information has been helpful for you. Don't forget to check out our other videos, our other how-tos and such like that. And your grandpa will be back in the near future with another video. You have a great day, and I'm glad to see you here. Hope you subscribe. Bye-bye.